A daring fishing standoff. Deep in 1925, a gripping tussle brewed over fishing rights between America and Canada. This wasn't just about fish. It was about control and power. So, amid tension in the Treaty of Washington waters, diplomats faced a complex challenge. With every cast of the net, relations grew tangled. Yet, through careful negotiation and persistent dialogue, both sides forged a lasting treaty. The spectacle of two great nations finding a balance amidst conflict was awe-inspiring. All it took was a fish to change history forever.